In a far-off land, nestled between the rolling hills and the sparkling sea, there lived 3 curious children named Sam, Alex, and Zoe. One day, they stumbled upon a peculiar sight: a straw, a coal, and a bean lying side by side on the ground. Intrigued, the children picked up the 3 items and took them home. That evening, they gathered around the dinner table, ready to share their day's adventure with their parents. "Dad, Mom," started Sam, holding the straw in his hand, "I found this remarkable thing today. It's so simple, yet it's been used for thousands of years to drink liquids." "That's fascinating, Sam," said his father. "What about the other 2 objects?" Alex, with the coal in her hand, said, "I found this black rock. It's used to produce heat and light, making our homes cozy and safe during the cold nights." Zoe, holding the bean, added, "And I found this small seed. It can grow into a huge plant that provides food for many people." The parents looked at each other, knowing that their children were on the brink of a valuable lesson. "Children," the father began, "each of these items might seem ordinary, but they have a profound impact on our lives. The straw allows us to quench our thirst, the coal helps us stay warm and lit, and the bean provides us with sustenance. More than that," continued the mother, "they all teach us about the power of simplicity and resourcefulness. The straw, coal, and bean are humble, yet they are essential for our daily lives. They remind us that sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest differences." From that day forward, Sam, Alex, and Zoe grew to appreciate the simple wonders in their lives. They learned to value the overlooked and cherish the humble, understanding that small things can have a significant impact. And they carried this lesson with them throughout their lives, always seeking to find the hidden treasures in the ordinary.